In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. An extensive survey was conducted, an extensive research was conducted about the people who earned, earned success, lived a successful life, achieved what they wanted to achieve. And the findings of the research was presented. There were several qualities which was found necessary. But two of the qualities were found indispensable, indispensable, unavoidable. And each and every successful person on earth was found having these two qualities. First of all, these people were proactive people, not reactive one. Their attitude was to be proactive. They did not wait for someone else to say something or to do something so that these people too can say something in return and do something in return. Rather, rather, these people were the people who conceived certain good ideas, then presented it to the people, to the certain people, to the people needed, to the relevant people. And these proactive people actually started the action as well. They did not wait for other people to start the action. Instead, they did it themselves. They did it themselves. And that is how they become a leader. What is leadership and who is the leader? What is leadership and who is the leader? The leadership mean leading the people, being at the forefront. Leadership mean leading the people, being at the forefront and not lagging behind. And being at the forefront mean that you are actually the beginner, the starter of a project, the beginner, the starter of an idea, the beginner and the starter of a reaction, of an action, of an action, so that the people could start a chain reaction. Finest and the genius are the people who are able to start to do such an action which could result in the chain reaction of a positive nature, of a constructive nature. Now, these people who are the proactive people are the leaders. A leader is never a leader without being proactive. A leader is never ever a leader without being a proactive. These people are proactive people. They conceive the ideas, they put it forward to the people, to the relevant people, to the people whose cooperation is needed, to the people who could help in one way or the other. And these proactive people actually started the ideas, the actions at the same time. Actions, they were good at the actions. They were the first to start an action. And that is actually the quality of a leader. A leader can never become a leader unless and until he she is a proactive person. So the every proactive person is actually a leader, because they are leading, because they have started something, because they've conceived something, and because they are starting something else. So to be a leader, being proactive is a must. It is an essential. Okay, right. Then the second quality, which became, which emerged at the second most important position, was being organized. These people kept themselves organized. They did not do the things randomly. Random things were also done, but they preferred to remain in an organized enough. They tried their level best. They kept trying to keep themselves organized. They did not do the things in a random manner, in a cluttered manner. They kept their thoughts organized enough. Thoughts are not as easy because it is tricky enough, and it is somewhat, it remains on autopilot. But as far the actions are concerned, as far the life as a whole is concerned, they people were working very hard, striving their level best to remain organized. Being organized was the second best quality which was found amongst the people who are successful in the world today, and the people who have achieved something worthwhile. These people were really great. And now I think so, for the people who want to become a leader, for the people who want to become a successful people in the life, all of these people should know, all of these people should try to understand that being a leader, that being a successful person demands the two most important thing. And the two most important things are, first of all, try to be a proactive. Without being a proactive, nobody could ever achieve a considerable amount of success on the one hand. And if at all they found a success, a little bit of it, they could not retain it, they could not keep it, they could not sustain it. And the second best quality obviously was to become an organized person, to become as organized as possible. Their effort was to keep it at the maximum level, to keep their organization skills at the top level. Thank you. Jazakallah.